In this video, we will add a filter onto the dispatch list for production orders. We can see on screen the shop floor insight application. At the top, there are a few buttons for the dispatch list. This is the production order dispatch list. The objective here is to exclude operation number 40. The context we have is perhaps the scanning station on the floor does not do any of the control here. Therefore, we do not want to display the operations tied to the control. In order to do so, I can apply a filter that would exclude any operation that has the operation number of 40. To do so, I must do that in Business Central. I will now navigate to Business Central. I will search for the shop floor configuration client. There might be more than one shop floor configuration card. In this case, we only have one. I will open the configuration card. And in the top section here, we've got a section under View for the production routing custom filter. I will click on the dots. This allows me to specify my filter. In this case here, I wish to exclude any operation that is number 40. Therefore, I will select the field and I will simply add the value to exclude the operation number 40. With that information, I will close the page and I will go back to the shop floor insight application. I will do a hard refresh on the browser. I will log in again. Now I will click on the production order dispatch list. And as you can see, the dispatch list has been filtered as we no longer see operations 40.
Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel for more great content.